Yeah, hi friends, welcome to Techie Study and Azure DevOps series. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to create a secrets in Azure Key Vault. Let's go ahead and do that. Before that, previous session I have added like how to create Azure Key Vault in portal.azure.com. So I will add that video in your card. Please go through that. So let's go here and let's go log into portal.azure.com key vaults. So previously we have created the Azure Key Vault um, techie study. So here the main thing we will get two errors. So while creating secrets, we will get the this error. So this is like role based permission errors. This is the error we will get. I will add this error details in description as well. You can go through that. So to resolve this error, we need to assign the roles to our user. What is the user to accessing the key vault? So I have added my users and Azure Data Factory as well. If you haven't added this details, permission roles, it won't access to the key vault. So if you haven't added our data factory, you will get this operation written as invalid status forbidden code error. This is the two errors we will get if we haven't assigned the policies to users in Key Vault. Okay. For now, we have added our users in Key Vault IAM roles. We are good to go ahead and create the secrets um, in the Key Vault. Okay. Tech study Key Vault. Let me go ahead and do the. So here we have ls underscore Azure SQL is the uh, connection string we have. We need to use for Azure Key Vault connection string in this. So let's go ahead and pick the connection string from Azure SQL Server. If you will go to Azure SQL Server, you can see the connection strings JDBC, ADO.NET, JDBC, ODBC, PHP, some other connection strings we have. We have used our SQL authentication connection string. So let's copy it here and only change this password only. Your password equals to your password is the right. We need to change our password. Let me copy it from here. I have already changed my password. Copy, go there, generate ls underscore Azure SQL underscore is not happen. Let me remove ls. Its name is available. Value. Let me paste our secret value. So done. Create. There is a conflict currently deleted. So okay. Let me create new one. I have already created and deleted that. So let me create it. ls Azure SQL login. Okay. So let me give the secret value and create it. So Azure SQL login I have created. Let's go ahead and do the. So let me show you how to create Azure Key Vault. Right. I have deleted existing one. So here, let me check Azure Key Vault. So here linked service, we don't have new linked services for Azure Key Vault. Let me show you. ls underscore Azure Key Vault is the linked service. Select the Azure for subscription, and this is the Key Vault we have created. And test the connection. Done and create it. So it's created. Okay. And now we need to select which one is the our login secret name. This is the is ls Azure SQL login is the secret name. So always here we need to select latest version and test the connection. connection is failed. User firewall. Okay. Cannot connect. Support tech studies. SQL database firewall integration runtime access. So I will show you how to resolve that error. For now, let me save it. So this is how we will create um, linked service key vault in key vault. Now let's go ahead and create for a secret for this storage account. We will use the access keys. In access keys, it will show the connection string. Right? Show this. We can copy this one. Go ahead and create here ls underscore storage account. ls storage account is the key and create it. Now we can use that in here. Same way. Go to the Azure Key Vault. This is the Key Vault linked service and ls storage account is the one latest version test connection. So this is also we are getting key is invalid. Let me add a new key. Copy it. Add new version. Copy paste and create. So always it will take new key only. Okay, older version it won't take. So let me go ahead and test now. See, completed. Click save. So this is how we will configure the um, connect passwords and we will store it passwords in our key vaults. Okay, always if you will change any password also it will take it from latest version. So we are good to use the linked services to mask the passwords in real-time environment. Okay, so this is about Azure Key Vault session. So if you are watching first time, please subscribe my channel to get new notification and share it to your friends and comment, do comment, like and share. So better reachment of people. Thank you so much. Bye.